Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to go from this crusty ass blowout as you can see on my face. This was flaky AF. I tried to record the video for you, but it just didn't work out. Not that the edge control wasn't good, just I had a hard time doing the ponytail on camera. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to a defined wash and go. I only use one gel, and that was the Wetline Extreme gel, and I use a leave-in, and that was the Moisture Milk by Camille Rose. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share, and I will see you when I am out of the shower. So I'm now out of the shower, and I washed my hair with the Tilea Wajid Green Apple and Aloe shampoo, and I deep conditioned with the, I think it's called the 4-leaf clover. It's for type 4 mask by The Main Choice. And I'm just going in with that Camille Rose leave-in, and I'm going to work that in. So one of the tips to avoid flaking is to wash your hand in between putting in leave-in and putting in the gel. So I'll work that leave-in in, then I'll wash my hands, then I'll put the gel in. Another tip is, this is not for flaking, but just how to apply. I apply a little bit at a time, so I'll apply a little bit of gel, and then if I need more, I'll just add more gel. And for some reason, if your hair gets tangled while putting in the gel, I would just add more water. So I just do that through my whole head, put the leave-in, wash hands, put the gel, and I wash my hands after I put the gel before I even take down the next section. So that's it really, guys. The rest of the video will be sped up. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the results are helpful to someone that has my texture hair, the thickness. Yeah, that's all I have to say really. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.